Hey everyone, it's Anna from Cornerstone Auto, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our Plymouth location. This location specializes in pre-owned vehicles and was added to the Cornerstone Group in 2010. So as you enter the building, you actually come onto our show floor and also our reception area, where a sales associate is ready to greet you and assist you with your purchasing experience. Over here we have our finance department, where customers are signed out with their new vehicles. Over here we have our cashier. She is your first point of contact when calling the dealership. Next we have our customer lounge, where you can relax with complimentary coffee, TV, and Wi-Fi while your vehicle is being serviced. Next is our parts and service department. The service drive here is where you'll pull your vehicle in for your service appointment. Our service advisors answer all your service calls and make appointments along with greeting you as you drive in and get you all set up for your appointment. Let's take a peek at the technician area. Always busy, noisy, and hard at work. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me today. Be sure to check out our website at cornerstoneauto.com and also our other videos on our YouTube channel.